There are a lot of weird things going on in the world right now. Things which are really out of our control and things which are extremely disappointing and shameful. I feel it is a crazy time to be putting out a video right now which is completely off the topic to whatever's happening in the world. But if I'm able to distract you even a tiny bit from all the craziness, I believe it's totally worth it. Besides, whenever this video might find you, I just hope you are sound and safe and exercising all the important precautions and care that needs to be taken. With that said, let's just start the video. What's up guys? How's everybody doing? My name is Nanad and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, let me get straight to the point. What does even photography means to me? Let me give you a context here. I believe this is really an important question one should be asking himself or herself when they are just starting out in this world of photography and are planning to go deeper. On the surface, it appears to be such a simple question, but it just demands us to think deeply within ourselves to get the most correct and satisfying answer. I feel it is good to have why we have started it in the first place thing concretely set in our minds to not to lose focus while we are pursuing our dreams and passions. I would like to give my answer to this question. For me, photography is an escape. Escape from whatever that is happening inside me and around me. Maybe that escape can last for only a few thousands of seconds, but it is very relaxing. Going out and trying to see and observe and come up with a composition, something that strikes us, excites us. Deciding the camera settings best to our understanding and intuitions. Waiting for the correct moment in time for clicking the photo and finally hitting that shutter button. This is what I really mean when I say an escape. And it's this sole feeling of escape is what has made me come back to photography time and over again. And one of my goals moving forward with photography would be to have a conscious approach, to put in the conscious efforts to feel this escape more often in my life. Which leads us to our next point, what are my photography goals? I have like many goals in photography, but there are two of them which I really want to share with you. You see guys, photography is really a vast sea leading into so many different streams. And by streams, what I really mean is, there are so many different types of photography that a person can get into. Like there is wildlife photography, portrait photography, landscape photography, macro photography, to name a few. And my goal is to find out which one of these streams just clicks with me. You see guys, for any endeavor that we take on in our life, there are a set of basic skills that needs to be learned to build a strong foundation. So my next goal is to learn these boring fundamentals of photography and of the camera as quickly as possible, so that the camera, which is merely a tool, wouldn't stop me from getting that image in my mind. Maybe if it isn't for photography, I wouldn't be having this shift in my thinking. You see guys, thinking is easy. What's hard is figuring out the correct level of abstraction in which to do it. This line from an article by Taimur Abdal has really resonated with me. Before I picked up the camera, everything, anywhere my eyes could travel, used to look normal, feel normal to me. But after getting into photography, my eyes are now slowly trying to look for specific things. My mind is slowly trying to understand the patterns, and my heart is slowly trying to get excited by the fact that how the things are already set for us out there in the nature. We just have to look for it. Curiosity, a core human skill, is something that photography is instilling back in me. Not just towards learning how to click a photo, but also towards the subject that I'm clicking. Besides, learning and understanding about the subject beforehand will only lead you to have a better intuition and take more balanced decisions while clicking the photo. For me, life has to happen for like 24 years even before I could discover my passion, my love for photography. So if you have already found out your passion, something that you love, just don't let it go. Pursue it with all your energy. And if you haven't yet, maybe you're on the verge of finding it, who knows? Just hold on, just hang in there. Just hear me out on this, okay? Imagine all the relations, connections that you're blessed to have in your life. Some of them are special, some may be super special. Now just think about it. What is it that makes it so special? Do you always feel happy while you're around them? If your answer is yes, I believe that's just half the truth. There are going to be moments when you will feel angry, disappointed, sad. There are going to be moments when it will hurt. But it's completely okay. That's completely normal. It is the part and parcel of any relation that a human engages itself into. No relation, be it with another human or any skill or passion in our case, is prone to this bittersweet aspect of it. It isn't unless you feel the fear of losing what's important to you, you wouldn't recognize the actual worth or value of having it. Besides, there are some people, some things in life worth holding on to. And photography is just like this to me. So on a given day, even if I end up not getting the image that I have in my mind, it's about the entire process of getting our camera gears ready, to getting ourselves ready, to visualizing things in our mind, to actually going to the location and trying to get that image is what makes photography a fun. It's really about finding joys in those little things that happens to come our way on the journey that we take to reach to our goals. I just cannot stop giving you enough reasons about why do I love photography so much and what does it even means to me. So whatever art form that you might be following, I just want you all to ask yourself this question: why do you love it so much and what does it even means to you? If you like this video for whatsoever reason, please hit the like button down below. I would love to read your thoughts on the comment section. And lastly and importantly, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I'll just enjoy my coffee now and talk to you guys in the next one. Until then, bye for now.